live again. We're celebrating the 4th of July, Independence Day for our nation. I'm so excited. This is fun. There's Jason. He's recording. And no, don't record me. No, go away.
Happy birthday, America.
And then there's Shelby and Autumn. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. It almost makes me cry. Everything makes me cry. If you don't have fireworks where you're at, I just wanted you to see these. And you can celebrate with us. Woo! It's a beautiful night here. I hope you can see the colors. This is one of the oldest cities right here, St. Augustine, Florida. Hope you've enjoyed a little bit of the fireworks here on the 4th of July.